Hey guys, my name is Shaztek and welcome to another video. Today I'll be talking about the Galaxy Note 10 leak. If you enjoyed this video and want more daily tech videos, don't forget to leave a like on it and subscribe. A few days ago on the Samsung website there was a picture of a Galaxy Note device. Now we don't know whether this is the Galaxy Note 10 or not, but here is the picture of it. You can see that it looks similar to a Galaxy Note 9 and the Galaxy Note 10 rumors that we've seen before. Now this tweet from Ice Universe says that the Galaxy Note 10 was going to have aggressive curved screen. Now as you can see from the Galaxy Note 10 one, you could see that this also has an aggressive edge screen, which means it has a bigger edge screen than the Galaxy Note 9. So we can definitely correlate these and link them together that this could be the Note 10 because it does have one of the same features. However, take this with a grain of salt because the Galaxy Note 10, which is being shown here, is on a previous version of Android because it's on Samsung Experience and not One UI, as you can see from the navigation bar. But Samsung is reputable for leaking their products a few months early just to generate hype and excitement for the product. So even though you should take this as a pinch of salt, I still do believe that this could be the Note 10, and if it is the Note 10, it has its upside and downside. The upside is that it looks really beautiful, it looks nice, but with the edge screen being too aggressive, there could be a lot of accidental touches. Now, of course, like before, take this rumor and leak with a pinch of salt. It was live on Samsung's website, but has been swiftly taken down. But that was the Galaxy Note 10 leak and it looks incredible, it looks amazing. The bezels are still there, but overall the Note 10 is going to be an absolute powerhouse of a device. Now guys, if you've enjoyed this video and found it informative, make sure you leave a like on it and you subscribe for more daily tech videos. I've been Shaztek and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.